In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English Term 3, Unit 1, Lesson 1, 5 Detectives. Already we have seen in the last video, Srijit disguised himself as an old man and sat where the old man used to sit. There was a man came in a cycle and sat near him. He said, "Where have you been since yesterday? Take this." Let us see what had he given. The man handed over Srijit a packet of chocolate and went away. He gave the old man a packet of chocolate and went away. Srijit took the chocolate and kept in his pocket. He saw the real old man coming in his direction from the other side. He also saw Inspector Velayudham rushing out of a shop towards him. Fatima and Jessie were watching all this from afar. They got worried and rushed with Pablo towards the inspector. Pablo started barking and jumping on the inspector. The inspector was annoyed with the dog. Srijit saw it has a chance to run from there. He hid in a bush nearby. Inspector Velayudham ran towards the old man and caught him. Then he asked him to give the chocolate to him. The old man was puzzled. Inspector took the old man to the police station and locked him. Do you know why did the man give chocolate to the old man? Yes, there is a clue in the chocolate about the robbery. Srijit saw the real old man coming towards him, and also in the other side he saw Inspector Velayudham rushing out of the shop towards him. So Fatima and Jessie were watching all of this and they worried and rushed with Pablo towards Inspector. Pablo started barking and jumping on the inspector. The inspector was annoyed with the dog. Yes, he knows that there was something wrong. Srijit saw this was the chance and he hid near the bush. Inspector Velayudham ran towards the old man and caught him. He asked the old man to give the chocolate, but the old man was puzzled because he did not get. Who got the chocolates? Yes, Srijit only got the chocolates. Inspector took the old man to the police station and locked him. While this was happening, the 5D gathered in Jessie's garage. They opened the chocolate to find a small chit. They opened it and found a list of grocery items. They were confused. Yes, while this was happening, all the 5D, they gathered in Jessie's garage. They thought there was a clue in the chocolates, so they find a small chit there. They opened the chit and found the list of grocery items and they were confused because they thought that there was a clue. Amuda, Sri, is it a code? Srijit, yes, it seems so. Amuda, I wonder if it is some kind of magic pen like the one you showed us. When we show it under a light, we can see the writing. Jessie, it could be. I still have this pen with me. I will go and get it at once. Amuda said, Sri, is it a code? Srijit said, yes, it seems so. Then Amuda said, I wonder, they may used magic pen, the one you showed us. When we show under a light, we can see the writing. Jessie said, it could be. Still I have that pen. I will go and get it at once. Jessie got the magic pen. They flashed the light on the paper and some words glowed on it. The message said, tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday, 9 p.m, number 5. Jessie got the magic pen. They flashed the light on the paper. Some words are glowed. The message said that tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday, 9 p.m, number 5. Yes, they got the clue. That is, tell to number 3 and place where they had Waxworks. That is Town's Fair. And Tuesday, when they want to meet, that is on Tuesday, and timing 9 p.m. with number 5. Arul, tomorrow is Tuesday, so the gang is meeting tomorrow. While they sat in the garden, Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit dressed as the old man. He was furious. Then Srijit had to confess. He handed over the chit to the inspector. The inspector was glad to have found the chit but was furious about their behavior. He warned them to stay away from the case. After seeing the chit, Arul said that tomorrow is Tuesday, so the gang is meeting tomorrow. While they sat in the garden, Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit that he dressed up as the old man. He was furious. Yes, he was angry because he dressed up as the old man. Then Srijit had to confess. Confess means to admit that he had done something wrong. Then Srijit handed over the chit to the inspector. Inspector was very happy to have the chit, but he was very furious about their behavior. He warned them to stay away from the case. Yes, because he is only handling that case, so they are interfering. So he got angry and he warned them to stay away from the case. Srijit's idea was to disguise himself as a wax statue, as it will be the most easy way to get all the information. That evening, all of them went to waxworks. They observed each wax statue and noted down details. When getting out of the waxworks, Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. Srijit's next idea was to disguise himself as a wax statue. This is the easy way to get information, they thought. That evening, all the 5D went to waxworks. They observed each and every wax statue and noted down all the details. When they were getting out of the waxworks, Srijit unlocked one of the window in the room. Do you know why did Srijit unlock one of the window in the room? Yes, he planned to disguise himself as a wax statue. Then only he can go inside and stand as a statue. Let us see whether their plan will work out or not in the next video.